Hey guys, we're doing a team draw for the 5 box break. Random is live. It's 8:17:55 p.m. Melbourne time. Participants, we're going 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Teams, going 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Random is complete. What I'm looking for. That one. Peter Kang, Lakers. Percival, Grizz, Caleb, Pacers, Dylan with the Sixers. Mr. Preston, Hawks. Mr. Brown, Raptors. Sash with the Wolves. Phil with the Pistons. Dylan with the Thunder. Mr. Price, Magic. Trent, Mavericks. Tom, Bucks. Mr. Price, Bulls. Mose with Jazz. Shane with the Hornets. Benji, Pelicans. Jeff with the Thuns, Damo, Nuggets, Shane with the Spurs, Blenny Boy with the Blazers, Scotty Rhodes with the Heat, Daniel with the Nets, Mr. Carter with the Wizards, Mark Skinner, Knicks, Shaq with Celtics, Caleb with Kings, Age with the Warriors, Steve with the Rockets, Cannon with the Cavs, and Shane Scott with the Clippers. And that is the teams.